back. This is a wood jigsaw puzzle, and I'm gonna solve it in 30 seconds. And the timer starts now. And if I solve this, y'all need to subscribe. Uh-oh. That's not good. Dang it, bro. No! Guys, oh my god. I'm so scared. Failure. Alright, let's go. I'm locked in, I'm locked in. Completed. Hopefully that was less than 30 seconds. If not, well, y'all can keep scrolling. You know the drill. But if I completed it, please subscribe, because I did this in 30 seconds. But if I didn't, then a deal's a deal. You can scroll. Go ahead. You don't need to subscribe. All right. See you guys in the next vid tomorrow. See ya. Bye.